All right, let's get straight to it. 2002 Ford Taurus. This is the 3.0 liter engine. So today we'll be changing the starter, and this is what your starter should look like. There should be a bolt hole here and a bolt hole here. These are your two bolt holes. They should be right across from each other here. And this is what the rest of it should look like. All right, so let's get this negative battery terminal disconnected so that we can start. You don't want to take the hot wire off that starter without having this battery disconnected. Now, we have to get this from the bottom, but you can kind of see from up top a little bit what you're working with. So that's the starter there from up top. But like I said, we'll probably have to go beneath it to get everything. All right, so this is what I mean when I say it's easier underneath. So now we're underneath and you can see clearly as day. This is your bottom bolt here. Very, very easy to get to. And this is your top bolt here. Also very easy to get to. So, and once you get those down, you'll be able to see your hot wire better and your plug to get that off. So let's just focus on getting these two bolts down real quick, and the starter should just drop straight out. This is such an easy job. So let's remove these two bolts. So these are actually 13mm bolts. So let's go ahead and get these off. These are 13mm. All right, so as soon as I took those two bolts out and I was able to drop this and turn it around, and now I can see my hot wire and my sensor wire. So this is the sensor wire here, and this is the hot wire. So this is a 10mm socket to get this one off. This one here is going to be a 13mm to get this one off. All right, so this is the old starter next to the new starter. And so you can see this is probably need to be changed. This one was very, very old. So we're gonna get ready to put this one back up now. So we're gonna go in reverse. We're gonna hook up the hot wire and the remote wire before we put our bolts in. All right, so I got it back up here, and I have the hot wire connected, and I have the remote wire connected right here. So now that everything is back linked, it's just time to fit this back up in the groove. So let's go ahead and put this back where we got it. Let's put this back up to the flywheel. All right, so as you can see, this bolt is tight here, and that bolt right there is tight. My hot wire is on, the remote wire is on, so the starter is officially changed.